everybody, this is Santo with Quest Humidifiers. Today we're going to be going over the power board replacement. I know it seems this or looks intimidating. It's definitely going to look intimidating when you see the old board inside the unit with all the wires attached to it. But believe you me, this is actually a simple replacement, typically a quicker replacement. And we typically recommend that you take a photo of the power board when it's all wired up, so that you know exactly where those wires go once you're replacing this. So here we go. I'll show you here in a little bit what you're looking at, and we'll replace the power board. It may seem intimidating, but this part right here is our power board. There are bundled wires going right into it. My recommendation for swapping this out or replacing it is take a photo first, so you know exactly where all the wires go back to. The repair on this is essentially replacing the board and just swapping out wires. So it's clipped in, and it can easily be removed. Get in there by hand. If you need a little more leverage, go over underneath with your flathead and gently raise it from one of those posts. And again, like I said, take a photo, recall where all, so you know where all the wires belong, and then install.